I'll tell you the truth, as I only do, my friend. I'll be living my youth as I live till my end, my friend. I've been battered and bruised, but it's only a few that have stayed or left. And that's nothing a hammer, a nail on my mind couldn't cure. But I've left people hang on a stick or a word if their grip grew tight. Oh, the battles, the beds that I've shared are all mine. But the more you hold on to me, the less you can have of me. The more you hold on to me, the less I am yours to keep.
It's a fucking serious song, woman.
Well, I'll tell her the truth. You're taken now. Oh, you're scarlet. Oh, you're gonna say you're sorry now, are you? Look at her. Everybody look at her. I'm looking at the wrong person. Sorry, you're scarlet. Don't serve her when she gets the just everybody point you. I'm sorry. I'll get you a drink later. No, I won't. Sorry. Jesus, it's ruined now. Well, I'll tell you the truth, 'cause I only... Oh no. Good night. And I'll tell you the truth, if that's what you want, my friend. I'll be living my youth as I live till my end, my friend. I've been shattered and shoved, and I've shattered and shoved, but my mind is clear. And I've chosen my women, my men, and I've chosen my fear. But I've loved with the marrow that fills up my bones, and I always will. If you're with me or not, all depends if you hold me to knee. But the more you hold on to me, the less you can have of me. The more you hold on to me, the less I am yours to keep. The more you hold on to I'm not afraid to meet. There are devils outside that I'm not ashamed